this is Lucky Xia from GP Motors. It's nice to see you again. A good commercial truck is not only high horsepower, lightweight, large capacity, and run fast, but also most fuel efficient. Yes, fuel efficient. This one by my side is medium-size MPR. So why it could be so more fuel efficient? Let's take a look. Let's go. First of all, it adopts high-pressure common rail, high-precision control of fuel electrical injection technology, good optimization effect. The engine injection pressure of the fuel pump is as high as 1,800 kg/cm. The 8-hole multi-stage nozzle has 5 injections, and the unique vertex intake port makes the oil and gas mix fully, with high horsepower and more fuel efficient. Secondly, the engine has a low fuel consumption and a wide speed range, not low-speed torque, and ultra-wide high torque band, which is economical. The speed range is large, and the actual effect of speed up, fuel saving, and efficient operation of the vehicle is realized. A fuel-efficient truck, it can save you more refueling cost. At the same time, you will not feel the headache to go to the gas station frequently. More details, please contact us or send a message. See you next time.